Welcome back to Bike Plus, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting launch of the new 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400. Is this the upgrade Dominar fans have been waiting for? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Design and styling updates. The 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 steps up its game with a refreshed design. While retaining its aggressive stance and muscular proportions, Bajaj has added sharper graphics, a slightly reworked fuel tank, and a new LED lighting setup for better visibility. New color schemes like Midnight Black, Thunder Gray, and Emerald Green give it a more premium, bold presence on the road. Small but important touches like the redesigned mirrors and sleeker grab rails make the bike look even more refined. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the Dominar 400 continues to use the proven 373 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, but with a few tweaks for smoother power delivery and enhanced efficiency. It now produces around 43.5 PS of power and 37 Nm of torque, maintaining its reputation for being a performance powerhouse in its segment. The bike gets a new ECU tuning, offering crisper throttle response and better low-end grunt, perfect for both city rides and highway cruises. Technology and features. Bajaj hasn't held back on features either. The 2025 model comes with an upgraded digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts. The updated dual-channel ABS system now provides better braking feedback, and the bike retains its signature upside-down forks and monoshock suspension setup, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride. USB charging ports and improved switchgear quality are small additions that make a big difference for daily riders. Ride quality and handling. The Dominar's strong touring DNA continues to shine in the 2025 model. Thanks to its perimeter frame and well-tuned suspension, the bike feels planted even at high speeds. Handling has improved slightly, with minor tweaks to the steering geometry that make it a bit more agile around corners. Whether you're commuting through traffic or hitting the highways for long rides, the Dominar 400 delivers a confident and enjoyable experience. Pricing and final verdict. The new 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 comes at a slightly higher price point, starting around 2.45 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Considering the design upgrades, feature additions, and performance enhancements, it remains an excellent value proposition for riders looking for a powerful, reliable, and stylish touring machine. If you're planning your next big upgrade, the 2025 Dominar 400 definitely deserves a top spot on your list. Outro. That's all for today's deep dive on the 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400. For more motorcycle news, reviews, and comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Plus. Ride safe and see you in the next video.